Hello to you, hello to you, hello everybody, hello to you.
Good morning everybody.
Bore da, sut wyt ti, da iawn diolch, bore da.
Good morning everybody. How are you?
Croeso pawb.
Welcome to Cardiff Central Library Hub.
Croeso I Hybeth Llyfrgell Canolog Caerdydd.
Between Anna, I'm Anna.
I'm Sian, dwi'n Sian.
And we're going to sing in Welsh and English with you today.
Ni'n mynd I canu yn gyda chi heddiw yn Saesneg a Cymraeg. A heddiw rydyn ni'n mynd I ganu rai caneuon am Adar.
We are. We're going to sing lots of songs about birds today.
Ond yn gyntaf yn gadael I baratoi. First of all, we've got to get ready.
First of all, we're going to get moving and do some clapping, everybody. Are we ready?
Here on Dwylo. Clap everybody and say hello. Clap everybody and say hello. Clap everybody and say hello on a sunny Thursday. Da iawn. Are you ready to bounce? Sure. Bounce everybody and say hello. Bounce everybody and say hello. Bounce everybody and say hello on a sunny Thursday. Lovely. Do you ready for a tickle?
Yeah, that's not a tickle.
Tickle everybody and say hello. Tickle everybody and say hello. Tickle everybody and say hello on a sunny Thursday. Da iawn. Dydd Iau Haelog.
I'm feeling happy today.
Ia, dwi'n hapus iawn heddiw. Mr Hapus? Mr Hapus ydw I, hooray! Mr Hapus ydw I, hooray! Mr Hapus ydw I, Mr Hapus ydw I, Mr Hapus ydw I, ho ho! Da iawn. No, Mr Drist. Mr Drist ydw I, 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 Mr Sunglid ydw I, hooray! Mr Sunglid ydw I, hooray! Mr Sunglid ydw I, Mr Sunglid ydw I, Mr Sunglid ydw I, hooray! Da iawn! Now, mae'n amser I gwneud barod.
It's Thursday. It's time to have a wash, everybody.
Oh.
It's that time of the week.
Where's my scarf?
Oh.
Yay!
There it is.
Time I amser I glanhau molchi.
Yes,
Got
really
to
good
clean
wash.
and wash eich
Your
wyneb.
dirty
Face. Are you ready? Wash your dirty face. Wash your dirty face with a rub-a-dub-dub and a rub-a-dub-dub and wash your dirty face. Beth am hands. Beth am dwylo. Wash your dirty hands. Wash your dirty hands. Wash your dirty hands with a rub-a-dub-dub and a rub-a-dub-dub and wash your dirty hands. Very important at the moment, Anna.
Yes, it is. We're getting good at that now, aren't we? We're experts.
How about your belly? How about your tummy? Wash your dirty tummy. Wash your dirty tummy with a rub-a-dub-dub and a rub-a-dub-dub and wash your dirty tummy. Da iawn.
Down, everybody.
Now yn Cymraeg. Are you ready? Dyma fodd i'r olchi wyneb, olchi wyneb, olchi wyneb. Dyma fodd i'r olchi wyneb yn gynnar yn y bore. Beth amdanedd? Dyma fodd I frwsio danedd, frwsio danedd, frwsio danedd. Dyma fodd I frwsio danedd yn gynnar yn y bore. Beth am gwallt?
Yeah.
Dyma fodd I frwsio gwallt, I frwsio gwallt, I frwsio gwallt. Dyma fodd I frwsio gwallt yn gynnar yn y bore. Da iawn! Ti'n glanhau nawr? Are you clean dydw i ddim yn siŵr. Not sure. Never mind.
I've got my scarf, Sian.
Ah.
Look what I can do. Are we ready, everybody? Oh!
Cuddio! Cuddio pawb!
Where are you?
Ble roi ti?
Where are you hiding? Where can you be? Where are you hiding? Where can you be? Are you near or are you far? I'm looking, I'm looking. Oh! There you are!
Hi!
Pika.
Pika, pika. Da iawn! Ac yn Cymraeg, ydyn ni'n dwylo dros fy llygaid. Dwylo dros fy llygaid, dwylo dros fy llygaid, dwylo dros fy llygaid, ac yn y dweud. Pipo! Da iawn, i wedi eto. Dwylo dros fy llygaid, dwylo dros fy llygaid, dwylo dros fy llygaid, ac yn y dweud. Pipo! Bendigedig! Now, wyt ti'n barod I ganu caneuon am Adar?
Are you ready to sing some bird songs, everybody?
All
the birds are singing in the morning.
All the birds are singing in the morning, singing in the morning, singing in the morning. All the birds are singing in the morning. Tweet, 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 tweet. And the ducks.
Quack, quack.
All the ducks are quacking in the water, quacking in the water, quacking in the water. All the ducks are quacking in the water. Quack, 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 quack. Da iawn. Oh, goody hoo. All the owls are hooting in the night time, hooting in the night time, hooting in the night time. All the owls are hooting in the night time. Yay! Well done! Oh, the hoff gan nesa. My favourite song next.
Oh, fabulous.
Adar Melyn. Nawr, dyma'r Adar Melyn. A ti'n barod?
Dwi'n barod.
Aderyn Melyn, I fyny yn y goeden banana. Banana? Aderyn Melyn, I fyny yn y goeden banana. Banana? Paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd naw. Aderyn coch. Aderyn coch, I fyny yn y goeden tomato.
Tomato.
Aderyn coch, I fyny yn y goeden tomato. Tomato! Paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd naw. O, pwy sy'n nesa? Aderyn gwyrdd. Greenwood. Aderyn gwyrdd, I fyny yn y goeden.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Aderyn gwyrdd, I fyny yn y goeden. Cucumber. Cucumber. Paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd, paid a hedfan ffwrdd, paid a mynd I ffwrdd naw. Woohoo!
Everybody fabulous.
Gan hyfryd!
Fantastic. Oh,
Now,
I've got one little dickie bird.
fi hefyd, me too. Ready? Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Ddechog, naw yn Cymraeg. Dau deryn bach a ben a to. Dyma Jim a dyma Jo. Cer i fwrdd Jim a cer i fwrdd Jo. Tyd yn ôl Jim a tyd yn ôl Jo. Da iawn. Oh no, I'm hungry.
Do you know, are you hungry? Do you know
I
what
am.
I'd like a fried egg.
Oh, yeah, frio.
Scrambled.
Oh, yeah, scramble. Where will we get one? Chick, 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 chicken, lay a little egg for me. Chick, 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 chicken, I want one for my tea. I haven't had an egg since breakfast, and now it's 3:30. So, chicken, 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 lay a little egg for me. Woo! Oh, yes, I hope I get an egg for my tea. Oh, now, mae'n amser I gweud I ganu gan hyfryd. Am Adar hyfryd. I have
Lovely song.
a lovely song about a very pretty bird. A cuckoo! Cuckoo. Ti'n barod? O ddichwel ti ag adref mi welais gwcwlon. Cuckoo. Oedd newydd groes i'r môr, oedd i'r ynys fachan hon. O a ti, hyllia cici a hyllia cwcw, hyllia cici a hyllia cwcw, hyllia cici a hyllia cwcw, hyllia cici a hyllia. Unwaith eto. Hyllia cici a hyllia cwcw, hyllia cici a hyllia cwcw, hyllia cici a hyllia cwcw, hyllia cici a hyllia. O, da iawn pawb.
Super duper.
Gan hyfryd.
It's a lovely song. Very lovely.
O nawr, mae'n amser I gwneud brysio.
Time to get busy, everybody.
Dwi'n angen
Yes,
Teddy.
Teddy.
Oh, my Teddy likes to play on the swing.
And my Teddy likes to play on the slide.
Shall we go together?
Are you on somebody's lap? Or are you bouncing on the floor?
Ready? Teddy plays on the swing. Teddy plays on the slide. Teddy plays on the swing and Teddy plays on the slide. And he goes tick-tock, forwards and back and round he goes. Tick-tock, forwards and back, round he goes. Unwaith eto, Teddy plays on the swing. Teddy plays on the slide. Teddy plays on the swing and Teddy plays on the slide. And he goes tick-tock, forwards and back and round he goes. Tick-tock, forwards and back and round he goes. Teddy goes up, up, up. Teddy goes down, down, down. Teddy goes side to side, and Teddy goes round and round. Woo! Lovely, lovely, lovely stuff, everybody.
Fabulous.
Oh, now, un bis, dau bis, tri bis, and dawnsio. Ready? Un bis, dau bis, tri bis, and dawnsio. Pedwar bis, pump bis, chwech bis, and dawnsio. Saith bis, wyth bis, naw bis, and dawnsio. 10 bis yn dawnsio'n llon. Yn gyflymach. Ready? 1 bis, 2 bis, 3 bis yn dawnsio. 4 bis, 5 bis, 6 bis yn dawnsio. 7 bis, 8 bis, 9 bis yn dawnsio. 10 bis yn dawnsio'n llon. Da iawn. Oh, no, mae'n...
Oh, yeah.
Mae'n bwrw hyfryd.
Yes. Well, a little bit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lovely morning. I think it's time to go for a row.
Yes. Oh, on the river.
On the river.
With Teddy.
Are you ready? You need to sit on your mum or dad's knees for this one.
Here we go, everybody.
We'll sit on the floor. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah!
To the
Should we go to the other shore?
Row, row, row your boat
To the other shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. That was quite a scary lion.
That was a scary one.
Goodness me. Now, my nan said
He's
eat.
coming now. I think it's 1, 2,
Un, dau,
3 crocodiles.
crocodile. Yn nofio yn yr afon. 3 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. 3 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofio un o dan y dŵr. Splash! Dim ond 2 sydd ar ôl. 2 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. 2 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofio un o dan y dŵr. Splash! Dim ond 1 sydd ar ôl. 1 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. 1 crocodile yn nofio yn yr afon. Nofio un o dan y dŵr. Splash! Does dim crocodile ar ôl. Da iawn, pawb!
Well done, everybody.
Gan hyfryd. Nawr, dwi'n wedi blino nawr, Anna.
Tired, Sian.
Dwi'n eisiau ganu gan dawel.
A nice quiet song for Sian.
Gan
We know
Enfys.
one, don't we?
Gan Enfys.
Look at this rainbow.
Are you ready, everyone? Ti'n barod, pawb? Red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Cwch a melyn a glas a gwydd, porffor a'r oren a pink. Dyma lliw ar embys, lliw ar embys, lliw ar embys haf. O, hyfryd iawn! Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr nawr.
It's not that time already, is it?
Yeah, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. So, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye everybody. Goodbye to you. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau. Mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Tŵralŵra banta ni, banta ni, banta ni. Tŵralŵra banta ni, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Hwyl fawr pawb. Diolch am gwylio. A gweld i chi wythnos nesa.
Thanks very much for watching. See you next week.